Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will study what is divisibility and what are rules of divisibility. So what is divisibility? Divisibility means that a number is divided by another number evenly without a remainder. That is, remainder is 0. For example, 20 is divisible by 2. As if we divide 20 by 2, then we get remainder as 0. Then 20 is divisible by 2. Let us study what are rules of divisibility. So first is divisible by 2. If the last digit of the number is even, then it is divisible by 2 according to rules of divisibility. For example, 486 is divisible by 2 as last digit 6 is even here. Next is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digit of a number is divisible by 3, then that particular number is divisible by 3. For example, 3 to 4 is divisible by 3 because the sum of digit of this number, that is 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 9, which is divisible by 3. Next is divisible by 4. If the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, then that particular number is divisible by 4. Example 1620 is divisible by 4 because last two digit of this number is 20 and 20 is divisible by 4. Now next is divisible by 5. If the last digit of a number is either 5 or 0, then that particular number is divisible by 5. For example, 4465 is divisible by 5 as last digit is 5, and even if last digit of this number is 0, then it is also divisible by 5 according to rules of divisibility. Next is divisible by 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that particular number is divisible by 6. Example is 786 is divisible by 6 as it is divisible by both 2 and 3 because here 786 last digit is 6, that is even. So it is divisible by 2 and 7 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 21, which is completely divisible by 3. So 786 is divisible by 6 because it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So next is divisible by 7. If subtracting twice the last digit of number from the remaining digit gives a divisible of 7. For better understanding, let us see one example. For example, 658 is given. So now 658 is divisible by 7 as we have, if we subtract twice the last digit of number. So in this digit, last digit is 8 and we have to twice the last digit. So we will multiply 8 by 2 and then we have to subtract from the remaining digit. So remaining digit is the 65. 65 minus 2 into 8 is equal to 49. So it is divisible of 7. Next is divisibility by 8. If the last three digits of number is divisible by 8, then that particular number is divisible by 8. For example, 56,560 is divisible by 8 as last three digits of this number is 560. Then that is divisible by 8 because if we divide these two number, then it will leave no remainder. Next is divisible by 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then that particular number is divisible by 9. For example, 5,454 is divisible by 9 as 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 is 18. And if we divide 18 by 9, it will give no remainder. Then it is divisible by 9. Next is divisible by 10 if the unit digit of number is 0. For example, 350 is given. So if we divide 350 by 10, so 350 is divisible by 10 because here the unit digit of this number is 0. Now next is divisible by 11. if the difference of sum of digits at odd place and even places of the number is 0 or divisible by 11. For better understanding, let us see example. For example, 55 is given. Then sum of the digits at odd place and sum of the digits at even place. We have to take the difference of the both. So sum of the digits at odd place is only 5. At odd place only one digit is given, that is 5. And at even place also only one digit is given, that is 5. So if we take the difference of sum of digits at odd place and sum of digits at even place, that is 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So difference of sum of digits at odd place and sum of digits at even place comes is equal to 0. Then that particular number is divisible by 11. So 55 is divisible by 11. Next is divisible by 12. If the number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then that particular number is divisible by 12. For example, 38,124 is given. Then it is divisible by 12 as it is divisible by both 3 and 4. In case of 3, a number is divisible if the sum of the digits are divisible by 3. So sum of digits is equal to 3 plus 8 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 18. And 18 is divisible by 3. And in case of 4, a particular number is divisible if the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4. So last two digit of this number is 24 and 24 is divisible by 4. So this number is divisible both by 3 and 4. So it is divisible by 12. Thank you for watching.